Omuwaziri wa mwana yobochenuko rwase kaunti ya Nyamira Dr. Ombati habeire kawe sokia na gukana mwana yo agenderete gutebekana na nigo kaunti gusenya gitari ye referral ya Nyamira etabwatie bintu biribiganeirie ase obokoreri bwe kaunti yo gatiaba mariogo semo ya ICU baigo chigari chichiko so gose chiko imukya abarwaire gose ambulances niga kwanire bintu ebyo nakoenekia na ebintu ebyo simbira senya gitari ya Nyamira na igo nigo bakorwa bokoreri borobya gucyasa bamenyi be county eyo.
The state, I want to thank you so much for taking time to come and fact-find on the allegations that were raised yesterday by a very senior politician. I want to start by saying that the allegations are baseless. The allegations are there without proper information. There have been allegations about ambulatory system. I can confirm, like you've taken photos, you've taken the videos on the status of our ambulatory system in the county referral hospital. It's up to date. About the CT scan, you've already confirmed whatever that I wrote yesterday in the media about the CT scan. We have got 2 CT scans, a 16 slide and a 64 slide. We have 2 plants. A plant here mogeko produce 540 chilita 540 as a minute. Another plant will produce 150 liters per minute. This is the oxygen we are using in our ambulances. This is the oxygen and therefore I'm requesting our beloved leaders of this great county, leaders who may want even to lead the people of Nyamira County, instead of making utterances from areas where we cannot confirm, walk to Nyamira Hospital, confirm whatever that is there.